I know you are sweating because in this video I'm going to reveal a trick and you'll be able to know that how you can see your Wi-Fi search history. It will show you all the history of the people who are connected to your Wi-Fi, including you and all the home members. So first of all, you have to open up your settings, and after that you have to go to Wi-Fi, and after that you have to tap on this I button available next to your connected Wi-Fi, and you have to scroll through this page and scroll more. And here under IPv4 address, the last option is router, and the router contains an IP, so you have to tap and hold on it and simply copy the router's IP. And after that you have to open up your browser. It can be any browser like Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that you have to go to Google, and in its search bar just paste the IP address and tap on go button. Next, there may be some variations, like I'm using a Huawei router, so the display is according to my device. But if you have a different internet service provider, you will see some kind of different interface, but the process is similar. You have to simply tap on the login button, which will be available on every internet service provider's page. And here you have to type in your username and password. This is provided to you through your internet service provider. You can contact your internet service provider company and they will tell you your username and password. And after you just press the login button, your device will be logged in. And here if I tap on this statistics button, it will show me all the history on this page, as my history has been cleared. That's why I'm seeing this last cleared date under my history. But if you don't see your history in this statistics option, there may be any other options like diagnose or logs. And under that option, you will find all the history of your Wi-Fi router. Just go to diagnose and you may see the logs button under that. So that's how you see your Wi-Fi history on your mobile. Thank you so much.